Hello everyone, welcome to most awaited video, that is your Airport Authority of India ATC exam preparation strategy video 2023. So I hope you are ready to work hard for whatever days you are getting. Definitely we will discuss everything in this video. So in this video we will discuss how you can prepare physics and mathematics 2-year syllabus in 2 months. Okay, then what will be your expected exam date and lots of things we are going to discuss in this video. Form will start on 1st of November. Okay, definitely I will make form filling video on that day. No need to worry for that. Let's start the video. So before going to our strategy, the most important question that how many days you will get for preparation, okay, and what is your target, that till what date you can complete your syllabus. These things are very important for us to know, right? So now in this thing you can see here that your exam is expected somewhere around January 2024, right? So when you can expect your exam around 7 to 13. So this is the range for our date for your exam date, okay? So obviously it may be happen that they may conduct on 5-6 also and 1920 also. 1920 less possibility, 5-6 and 12-13 are more possible, right? So in short we have total 60 days approximately, I can say. Okay, October this 10 days, then January, don't consider this first 6 days, okay, because lots of things we will do here, revision and mock test वगैरह, so no need to worry for that. Okay, so approximately 60 days we have in our hand to complete the syllabus properly, okay, along with revision and lots of things what we do, right? Okay, so this first thing is clear now, right? Now I will discuss subject by subject your strategy, how you can prepare and everything, high weightage and whatever, right? Let's start the video. Okay, so here you can see phase 1. So now those who are already connected to Apna Government Job, they must be happy after seeing this, because we are starting our phase wise preparation strategy for your ATC exam, which is most powerful strategy. Now who are connected recently, okay, first important thing, if you did not subscribe to our channel, then subscribe to the channel, because this is most authentic channel I am providing consistent selection in PSC and government jobs, right? So what is phase wise strategy and why it is important? So see, basically in short words, the phase wise strategy where I divided your whole preparation into 4 to 5 phases, okay? As we proceed you will get the idea properly, so that time to time, okay, this is most important thing, time to time you will get idea that what you to do, okay, you will get the targets, and just remember one thing, to crack any computer exam, at what time what you should do, this thing should get clear, okay, and that clarity you will get through my preparation strategy, phase wise preparation strategy, okay? So what is the period for your phase 1, right? So it will be around 21st of October to 31st of October, okay? 21st to October and 31st of October, meaning whatever I will discuss further now, okay, you need to complete that in 21st of October and 31st of October, in this range basically, right? Okay, one more thing, that this is the part 1 of the video. Part 2 you will get in the comment section, you will get the link, okay? When you will click on that, you will get the part 2 of this video, right? So watch both the parts, because lots of important discussion I have done in that, okay? If you are watching this video in Success Pack, then definitely don't need to click on link, okay? Directly second video you will get as a part 2 video, okay? Let's start our main discussion now, that's syllabus for physics. So you can see here, this is the total 18 topics you need to prepare for your ATC exam. From physics you will get total 30 questions, okay? Now see, one more important thing, that if you are preparing for ATC exam, if you are filling form, if you want to fill the form, then just remember one thing, that whatever the 60 days you are getting, okay, put your everything here. I want that you should fully dedicatedly prepare only for ATC, because if you are targeting ATC with other exam, definitely not possible, because you have to complete this 2-year syllabus in 2 months, okay? So it is not, definitely it is not easy to do that thing with other exam. So I want that you should prepare only for ATC, first point. Why? Second point, that this is most competitive exam, okay, in the engineering field. So main thing is that just now in February they conducted one recruitment, few candidates got selected and lots of candidates got failed, okay? So now for this recruitment, those candidates who failed in that February exam, they will again reappear with syllabus completion, they will again reappear, and their syllabus is already completed, they just need practice, proper strategy, okay, proper timetable, routine, that's it, okay? No need to complete whole syllabus again, because they already did 6 to 7 months back, okay? So now if you are first time preparing for ATC exam, definitely it is challenging part for you guys to complete this 2-year syllabus in 2 months. But whatever I am giving you, if you follow that, like our phase wise strategy, our Success Pack also live now, okay? Next video will be there, that how you can join Success Pack and everything, what is the content of that. So if you are seriously preparing for ATC, I will recommend you to join Success Pack, okay, where you will get all the things at one place and you can prepare under authentic guidance, okay? So this is the first point and this is the second point. Okay, so basically now, as I told you that they just recently conducted the exam in February, and this time definitely ATC exam, okay, general scenario is cutoff went too much high every time, and this time also it will went high, because already people are there with syllabus completion. with full preparation. Okay, they just need now revision, mock test practice like that. But here, so cutoff definitely will be go high. Okay, and what is the range of that cutoff? How much marks you should target out of 120? And one more thing, you know that there is no negative marking. So obviously out of 120, all 120 questions you will attempt for sure, right? So the range will be, always remember this, 96 to 104. Okay, so our target is to be in this range so that you can beat that merit list and you will come under this 496 vacancies. Very important. Okay, so out of 120, now just imagine you have to score 96 to 104, means each of the section, total how many sections we have? 6, right? Physics, mathematics, and non-technical, aptitude, reasoning, English and GK. So in this section we need to perform best. Then only you will get the result. Otherwise, if you are getting less mark in physics, suppose, mathematics, suppose, you will be out of the race. Okay, because every year the cutoff went super high for this recruitment. It is most competitive, so just be ready for that mentally. And that's why I told you that before filling ATC form and before watching this video, or if you're watching this video, decide now whether you are giving your full power or full dedication for this next 60 days or not. If yes, continue to watch the video. If no, then you can prepare for other exams. Definitely our MSP is there for other exam, for technical exam. You can prepare with that. Okay. Okay. So now this is the general guidelines for all the guys. And now I will start our physics math strategy. So 30 questions you will get. Okay. Target how much you should score in this 30. Okay. What is the possibility of to score out of this 30 marks? So somewhere around 25 to 28. Okay. Now definitely see, this strategy video is like you are starting from 0, then you will go to 25 and you will try to get it 28. Okay, 30 out of 30 is a difficult task. If you are exceptional, if your luck is there, little luck is there, then possible. But again, 25 to 28 range is sufficient to get good score in physics, and this will be your best score. Okay, now see, since the last 2 year ATC exam pattern is changed now. Okay, I focuses on purely class 12 wala part. So whatever subjects are there in class 12, okay, they are focusing specifically on that. But this does not mean that you will skip all the class 11 topics or subjects or chapters. Okay, it does not mean, because ATC exam is unpredictable. They can do any type of changes in that. Okay, so we need to prepare all these 18 subjects. But how to prepare? This is the strategy and this is the trick. Okay, and that idea you will get from phase-wise strategies. So no need to worry, because in each of the phases definitely you will get proper guidelines, and if you follow that, then you can complete the syllabus and you can score 25 to 28 out of 30. Okay, but again, it will be not easy. Lots of hard work we will do. We need to do for the next 60 days, and yes, I am ready for that. I hope you are also, right? So yeah, you can take the screenshot for the syllabus or you can note down. It's up to you completely. Next thing, that now for physics specifically, I have divided, okay, your strategy in 2 stages, the first stage and second stage. So here second stage is what? Basically it is surprise for all the candidate. Okay, now those who already appear for IBGO exam, just I am giving little hint for you guys. So you must remember that I have provided you concept PDF, free concept PDF for all the YouTube students, right? And from that, many questions you have got in your exam as it is from my concept PDF. The format of concept PDF, everything you know. Okay, those who don't know, no need to worry. Definitely I will unpack it soon. No need to worry for that. But main thing is that I am giving now concept PDF for your physics for all the candidate of YouTube. So whether you purchase SuccessPack or not, no, does not matter. Okay, just main thing is that for stage 2 you will get this thing. Now when I will release, how you will get, everything I will discuss when time comes. Okay, but before that, before going to stage 2, the most important stage is your stage 1, and that is your concept building. So just focus on concept building now, and wait when I will give you stage 2, that is concept PDF, then you will get to know. Okay, do subscribe to the channel compulsory so that you will get every update, and in below playlist you will get, in that playlist you will get all the videos whatever I will upload for ATC. Save that playlist, right? Okay, now next thing, that how you can prepare physics properly. So in phase 1 we will do first subject, unit and measurement chapter, and kinematics. These 2 chapters we will tackle for physics. Now those who are doing self-study and those who join SuccessPack, this is the same video for you guys. Okay, I will not upload separate video. Main thing is that if you are preparing, and if you are preparing seriously, then do join SuccessPack, because in affordable way you are getting all the things whatever is necessary for your SuccessPack. Okay, so those who are doing self-study, NCERT book is needed for you guys. Already on internet it is available for free. You can download that and you can start reading NCERT for both the chapters. Okay, for SuccessPack student, now you have videos and notes in your SuccessPack. Also physics ebook I have provided to you. Okay, now see, first priority you will give for physics ebook. So read all the concepts of unit and measurement, suppose from physics ebook, right? If you're getting, no problem that. If you're not getting, then watch the video. Okay, but I will recommend you guys to first go through at least notes and ebook. Don't directly jump onto videos, because I want to save your time. Okay, see, it's most important that what you are doing. It's not important that what you are doing for the 60 days. but it most important that how you are utilizing your time daily 24 hours for preparation of ATC exam. Okay, with self study only you can crack this exam. Okay, it is not like you join the classes and you will get the things, nothing. Obviously in 2 months no coaching can complete all the syllabus of physics and mathematics. They will just provide half the syllabus, right? But with our success pack, definitely the scenario is completely different, so no need to worry for that. But main thing is that first try with notes, physics book, and then go for videos if you are not getting. Simple, right? But you will follow this approach. Similarly for second chapter like this only. For practice, those who are doing self-study, so one book is required. Obviously NCERT examples will be there, but along with that, if you manage to get NCERT exemplar, then you can refer that book. Along with that, JEE PYQ. So whatever questions unit and measurement ask in JEE PYQ. Now see, it is not like complete JEE PYQ you need to solve. Okay, that selection thing you should know, that which questions I should attempt of JEE PYQ, because obviously it is high level exam. Okay, but few questions or few concepts of JEE also ATC ask. Okay, so this is not point. Now those who are success pack student, no need to refer this exemplar JEE. Everything which is important is in your block wise strategy. And yes, now for this year we are integrating block wise strategy with your ATC success pack, which is most powerful strategy. Already you can see the testimonials of students, those who got selected by following block wise strategy and everything, whatever we doing MSP. But now in SP of ATC, you will get block wise strategy. Just follow that blindly, you will definitely get lots of things in that. Okay, so for practice, you will only use block wise strategy. In notes also, lots of examples are there. Solve that. In physics books also examples are there, but that's optional. Okay, if you want you can solve, otherwise you can skip, no problem in that. But block wise strategy and notes compulsory. Okay, so like this you will study physics properly. Now let me give you few things. Okay, let me give you a quick glance of our notes. Obviously few notes and few videos are available for free, so those who want to join success pack, and if you want to check the content for free or practice some questions for free, then you can download the application. The link you will get in the comment section and go to ATC success pack. Okay, so after video I know you will check it, but still quickly let me show you. So see, this is the practice question PDF for unit and measurement. Okay, so here you can see lots of examples are there. Read the theory and start this. Okay, so one by one you will solve the questions. Already answer and solution part is given, and you can see how neatly and cleanly every question is given to you. Okay, so here you can see that for only first chapter we are having 68 questions and lots of questions are there. Kinematics also 500 pages are there. Okay, so means lots of material is there for study. No need to refer any other thing other than your success pack. Okay, so like this you will do for your ATC exam. Okay, so this is all about your physics part. Now the next subject I will take in non-technical part, that is your aptitude. Now see, from your aptitude you will get total 15 questions. Okay, to get into the merit list or to beat the competition, we need to get 12 to 15. Okay, yes, I am writing 12 to 15. Now some of you might be shocked after seeing this. 15 out of 50 possible? So yes, it's possible. Last year also lots of candidates able to score 50 out of 15. Okay, there is nothing big in that. Just main thing is that your concept and practice should get proper. Okay, so definitely you can achieve this score. But I will give you the range 12 to 15. It is a good range. It is a good range. Okay, for your merit list. So now the thing is that from 0 how to go to first 12 and then how to go to 15. Okay, now see, first basically whatever syllabus is there for aptitude, lots of syllabus is there. I will directly start your strategy video for that. So first chapter you will take percentage. Okay, now in your ATC exam you can expect 2 to 3 questions from percentage for sure. Okay, either in pure percentage form or application form. Now see, basically for a particular chapter there are two things. Okay, one to conceptual and second is your application. What is the meaning of application? Means by using percentage concept, in some other chapter I am getting the answer. This is the simple meaning of application for those who connected new. Okay, so 2 to 3 questions definitely you will get from percentage. From ratio you will not get direct questions. You may not get, you may get 1, but you may not get, I will consider 0 only. Okay, but definitely application point of view it is most important, and ratio you can apply in almost lots of chapters. Okay, lots of chapters you can use for ratio concept. So these 2 chapters we are taking from aptitude in the start. Now those who are doing self study, you can use R.S. Agarwal book. Okay, best book. From that you can complete this percentage ratio chapter. Those who are in success pack, now see, our success pack is all about your English, physics and mathematics. Okay, but for some students, those who didn't complete aptitude in past, I have uploaded your videos in extra folder. Okay, so basically the meaning of this that you can just check the videos. Okay, if you already completed the aptitude part, then directly at least solve practice sheet, chapter wise practice sheet of percentage, and whatever questions till the date asked in ATC exam are all from our practice sheet. Okay, I made this practice sheet 3-4 years before, but whatever current pattern, 2022 paper, 2023 paper, everything is from practice sheet, whether it is revenue concept, whether it is the expense concept, whether it is income concept, whether it is your price of sugar rises and this voting, lots of things. ठीक है. So do practice our practice sheet effectively. Second, same for ratio and proportion. Okay. And now for practice, basically IPYQ, those who are doing self-study, previous year papers you can use for that. Okay, no need to worry for that. Then RS Agrawal also you can use for practice. And the most important, Telegram PDF. So daily you are getting Telegram PDF on our Telegram channel. In the comment section you will get the link of the channel. Okay, just click on view more so that you will get all the links. Part 2 also, our success pack also, Telegram channel also. Okay. So in that Telegram channel you can see that hashtag IJE. So when on a particular PDF, because you target multiple exams, you are getting this hashtag IJE, means what? You will use that PDF for your ATC exam. Okay? Most important thing. And for success pack student, no need to worry about anything. As I already told you, everything is included in your blockwise strategy, IPYQ, lots of all the things are included. Just blindly solve blockwise strategy test. Okay? And optional, if you want to study more, if you are not satisfied with this, then you can take a Telegram PDF, which is optional. Okay? For aptitude there are 2 PDF. One you are getting daily con PDF, okay, and one you are getting daily assignment. So now in assignment, basically this is the high level. Okay, it is not for your IJE paper, but still, if you want to study at high level, because if they ask moderate paper this time, definitely you should be ready. Okay? Because our target is to score 15 out of 15. It is not like 12 or 10 like that. 15 out of 15 you have to score. So it's better if you solve both the PDF questions. No problem in that. Okay? Hardly here you will get 5 to 6 questions. Here you get 10 questions, 16 questions daily. That's it. Okay? Next is reasoning. Now from reasoning also you will get total 15 questions for your ATC exam. And for reasoning, our target should be to get 13 to 15. Okay? Yes, in reasoning also 15 out of 15 is possible. Okay, so it is not like it's impossible. Definitely it's possible. Okay, if you practice well, if your concepts are good, then definitely you can get this, right? So now from 0 to 13 and then 15, how we can proceed? Let's start this discussion. First chapter blood relation and second chapter direction test. These 2 chapters we are taking in your phase 1. Okay, those who are again doing self-study, same thing as quant. Whatever I discuss in quant, it is same. Okay, RS Agrawal, then this success pack student. If you are RS Agrawal, use that RS Agrawal. Other than videos, I will recommend you. Okay, directly get the concept from book and then practice from our success pack blockwise strategy. Okay, which is most powerful. And for those who are doing self-study, IPYQ and Telegram PDF, daily Telegram PDF, you can use that. Okay, success pack, Telegram PDF and blockwise strategy, you can use for the practice. Okay, so this is all about your part 1. Now part 2 links you will get in the comment section. So just check that part 2. If you have any query, any doubt regarding part 1, you can comment down below. If you are serious, then join success pack. All the links you will get in the comment box. Okay, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel and its YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.